BMW, the brand that defined the ultimate driving machine through decades of pure automotive art. Starting with the 1956 507 Roadster, a design so beautiful it became a legend, owned by kings and rock stars. Then came the radical 2002 Turbo, Europe's first turbocharged production car, rewriting the rules of performance. The 3.0 CSL Batmobile took that spirit to the track, dominating racing with its iconic racing heritage. The E30 M3 remains the most successful touring car ever, a true street-legal racing machine. Classic BMWs aren't just cars, they're masterpieces in motion. Which one is your favorite?